Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. In this video, we gotta do a shaft maintenance. So as we know, the Super Tenere not a chain driven, it's a shaft driven machine. We have zero experience on shaft, and I know that it cannot be zero maintenance other than changing oil and stuff. And there's no available service record that stated that it was being looked after before. So we decided to engage a professional today to do it, and then we learn on the way. It is possible to do it yourself without engaging professional services. However, we factor in the tools, the know-how, the time span, and the quality of the job. I think it's worthwhile to engage the professional to do it. And subsequently, we can just do it ourselves along the way if we want to. He also notified us that the inspection board is a little bit molded because it has been overtopped quite a few times, so age is jaded. So we went to Yamaha and then to buy the replacement. So now we got to replace it. Okay, so this boat comes with a gasket. We need to remove all this gasket. It's stick to the pin now. I guess because due to prolonging of over torquing, the gasket actually sticks to the boat. We didn't buy the gasket and we're gonna remove and we're gonna find one on time. So what we gotta do now is using a silicone gasket instead of a metal gasket. Okay, looks good. Just wipe off the excess. Now it's done. So we went for a short test ride and we are back. Basically, you can clearly feel that the gear is smoother. It's quieter. You don't hear the mechanical clanking sound. I think it's a money well spent. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.